I don't. You good?
And I gotta press it while I'm filming.
No. That's it. Don't press it no
Don't
more.
press the nut. It's filming now.
Wow, look at all my friends. Hey, the Easter Bunny. Hey, how you doing, kids? Oh, hey. Wow, look at friends. Oh, good? Huh? Have y'all been good? Good. Wow, man. Hey, look. Hey, look. I don't have no more. I hit them. Everyone out to y'all. I hit them, actually. Did I do a good job? Huh? Oh, really good? Good. Hey, can I come to y'all Easter party? Yeah! Wow. Hey, how you like the Easter truck? My bunny truck, huh? It's my favorite color. Good. Hey, thank you, Terry. Hey, a friend, Terry. Hey, she gave me a cool ride, huh? All right, kids, on the count of three. Hey, how you doing? On the count of three, I'm going to say 1, 2, 3, go. I'm going to put some of my cool Easter music on, and we're going to start on the Easter egg hunt. Y'all ready? Huh?
Everybody gets 12 eggs.
All right, everybody gets 12 eggs. Y'all ready? I'm going to put some really cool Easter music on. Are y'all ready? 1, 2, 3, go! Wow, good. Look at them go. Man, are they fast, huh?
Down came the good fairy, and she
Wow, man, they are going really fast. Whoa, wow. Look at the shadow go. Wow, man.
I'll give you 3 chances.
Wow.
And if you don't behave, I'll turn you into a goon. The next day,
Good.
little bunny foo-foo hopping through the forest, scooping up the field mice and popping them on the head. Down came the good fairy, and she said,
Good.
little bunny foo-foo, I don't want to see you
Wow.
scooping up the field
Wow, you having fun? Oh, good. Peter Costello used to have
and
a
if
big
you
old
don't
hug.
behave, I'll turn you into a goon. The next day,
Look, there's another one.
little bunny foo-foo hopping through the forest, scooping up the field mice and
Hey, you having fun?
down came the good fairy, and she said,
Wow.
little bunny foo-foo, I don't want to see you scooping up the field mice and popping them on the head. I'll give you one more chance, and if you
Wow.
don't behave, I'll turn
There's
you
another one, another one, and another one.
The next day,
Hi.
little bunny foo-foo hopping through the forest, scooping up the field,
Another one.
popping them on the head. Down came the good fairy, and she said, little bunny foo-foo, I don't want to see you scooping up the field mice and popping them on the head. I gave you 3 chances, and you didn't behave. Now you're a goon.
Come on, hurry.
Story
Hurry,
is
bigger kids.
hare today, goon tomorrow.
Good. Did you get your 12? Wow.
Sing a song of six, and the monkey's full of pride. 4 and 20 blackbirds dancing in the pie. When the pie was cold, and the birds began to sing, was it not a tasty dish to set before the king? The king was in his
hug. Oh.
Hey, Bunny.
Yeah, what you got? What you got?
What's your name again? What, Peter, something like that?
Peter Cottontail Easter Bunny.
Peter?
Peter Cottontail Easter Bunny.
Oh, okay. Well, would you like to do the bunny hop?
Yeah, I guess we could.
Okay, cool.
With us?
Yeah, I'll do it with you. Line up behind Easter Bunny. Make a big train.
Right over here. All righty. Are y'all ready, kids? Are you ready? You really are? Good. You ready, Michelle? Good. All right. I'm ready when you are. Wait, kids. Come over here, kids. Hurry up. Come over here. Hurry. Hey, do y'all know how to do the bunny hop? You really do? Good. All right. You ready? Hey, did you make sure it's recording? It's REC? Come on, you ready? Watch. Hold on to me, kids. Watch. Come over here. Come on. Ooh, kids, y'all wanna follow me? Come on, little boy. Come on. Go over here. All right. Give yourself a big round of applause, kids. Man, y'all really did good. Wow, man, that was excellent. All right. Hey, kids, if y'all want to come over here and sit down, I'll show you a couple magic tricks. Since I am Peter Cottontail, the Easter Bunny, and I'm a rabbit, now what does rabbits go with? What do you associate rabbits with like me? Magician tricks, all right. When y'all finish y'all hunting y'all's eggs, if y'all want to come over here and sit down, and I'm going to show you a couple things here. If y'all want to sit down here. all work all night last night. Hey, y'all want to do a couple interactive songs? Huh? Oh, all right. Oh, isn't this good? Come on, y'all can do better than that. Come on. Come on, even you big people. Come on, yo, sir. Here we go. Isn't this buckets of candy and fun? Come on, you big people. Come on, y'all can do it too. Come on. Yo, you, sir, come on. All right, another way. Other way. All right, now you definitely are you kidding? Well, we lost one. All right, here we go, kids. Back up, line up. Hey, here we go. Come on. There's my friend. Come on. Here. All right, another way. All right, y'all ready? Here we go.
Okay, now I think it's time to speed it up.
Oh, don't speed it up. You ready? Don't speed it up. All right, come on, you big people. Yo, sir, come on, you ready?
You put your right foot in, you put your right foot out, you put your right foot in and you shake it all about. You do the hokey pokey and you turn yourself around. That's what it's all about. You put your left foot in, you put your left foot out, you put your left foot in and you shake it all about. You do the hokey pokey and you turn yourself around. That's what it's all about. You put your right hand in, you put your right hand out, you put your right hand in and you shake it all about. You do the hokey pokey and you turn yourself around. That's what it's all about. You put your left hand in, you put your left hand out, you put your left hand in and you shake it all about. You do the hokey pokey and you turn yourself around. Well, that's what it's all about. You put your head in, you put your head out, you put your head in and you shake it all about. You do the hokey pokey and you turn yourself around. That's what it's all about. You put your whole self in, you put your whole self out, you put your whole self in and you shake it all about. You do the hokey pokey and you turn yourself around. That's what it's all about. You do
You're out, you're out, you're out, you're out, you're out. Just kidding, that was a practice round, all right? It's your lucky day, all right? All right, all right. Simon says, raise your right hand only. You want to tell the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth? Just kidding. All right, Simon said, put your right hand back down. All right, Simon said, raise both your hands. Simon said, lower both your hands. Simon said, raise both your hands. Simon said, lower both your hands. Simon said, raise both your hands. Simon said, lower your hands. Not confused, Emma. All right, Simon said, raise both feet off the ground at the same time while standing up. Just kidding, just kidding. All right, Simon says, laugh out loud. Hey, what's so funny? All right, Simon says, stop. All right, you hurt my big old bunny ears. All right, Simon says, scream. All right, Simon says, jump up and down. All right, Simon says, stop. I'm getting a little tired of that. All right, Simon says, take your right hand, go like this. Simon says, take your left hand and go like this. Simon says, take your right hand, go like this. Like this, like this, like this, like this, like this. We ain't doing a mockery. But give him a big round for going so far, buddy. Hey, Simon said, give him a big round. You're out, you're out, and you're out. All right. Easter Bunny said, raise both your hands. We're not playing Easter Bunny. So we're playing Simon said. But Simon's not here. That's on that trick one. All right. Simon said, raise both your hands. Simon said, lower both your hands. Simon said, raise both your hands. Simon said, lower both your hands. Raise both your hands. Y'all all around. That means y'all all are time for dead. Y'all all tired. All right. For dead last. All right. Ooh, look, bunny ears. That's good to see over here. And did everybody like what I brought you this last night? Early this morning? Did you like that big 12-inch bunny chocolate hollow Enfield? Hi. Did you like what I bought you, Michelle? What about you, Dave? Did you like what I bought you?
Where did I get that?
Huh?
You should know so much and how much money you had.
Everybody knows. All right. Hey, our last thing we're going to do is a bunny hop song. Do you know how to do the bunny hop song? All right. Y'all just follow me and follow the person in front of you, all right? All right. All right. So let me see. If y'all want to start getting in one big line, everybody behind each other, we're going to go marching all around the perimeter here, around the oak trees, all right? All right. If y'all want to start getting in one big line, line up over here, make it go down that way over here. Around the corner this way. Even you big people, come on.
They're following you, Bunny.
Biggest bunny hop. Yo, sir. You don't, it'll be good exercise, all right? All right, everybody line up behind me. Line up behind me. Behind me this way. Over here. Everybody, even all the parents and grandparents, aunts, uncles, friends, relatives, New Orleans' finest staff, line up behind me. Right over this way. This way. Behind me. One person behind another person. As soon as everybody's lined up, we're going to go on the bunny hop song.
Okay, don't move, Mr. Bunny. I'll get it.
Go that way along.
Thank